Welcome to our video on goal setting for self-discipline, a step-by-step guide. Setting goals is essential because it provides direction and helps you focus on what's important. Goals can significantly enhance self-discipline by giving you a clear target to strive for, making it easier to prioritize your time and efforts. They are crucial for both personal and professional growth as they give you a roadmap to success, helping you stay motivated and committed. In this video, we'll discuss the key elements of effective goal setting and how to implement them to boost your self-discipline. Understanding SMART goals involves learning about a powerful framework that makes goal setting more effective. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals clarify exactly what you aim to achieve. Measurable goals define clear criteria for tracking progress. Achievable goals ensure your aims are realistic, preventing burnout. Relevant goals align with your core values, keeping you motivated. Time-bound goals set a clear deadline to maintain focus and urgency. This methodical approach helps make goals more attainable and drives you to stay committed and motivated throughout your journey. Identifying your core values is a crucial step in aligning your goals with what truly matters to you. Core values are the fundamental beliefs that guide your behavior and decision-making. By understanding these values, you can set goals that resonate with your inner self, making them more meaningful and purposeful. This alignment ensures you stay motivated and committed to your goals, as they reflect what you genuinely care about. When your goals are in harmony with your core values, you are more likely to find the drive to achieve them, leading to a more fulfilled and satisfying life. Creating an action plan is essential for achieving your goals effectively. Start by breaking down your main goal into smaller, manageable mini-goals. This makes the larger objective less daunting and more achievable. Next, schedule specific tasks for each mini-goal to ensure consistent progress. Regularly monitor your progress to stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Flexibility is key. Be prepared to adapt your plan as circumstances change. This structured approach not only keeps you organized, but also enhances your ability to reach your goals by providing clear, actionable steps and maintaining momentum. Maintaining accountability and staying motivated are crucial for achieving your goals. Start by tracking your progress to monitor and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Seeking support from friends, family, or accountability partners can provide encouragement and keep you on track. Celebrating small victories helps to boost morale and reinforce positive behavior. Additionally, staying motivated and disciplined involves setting clear, actionable steps and rewarding yourself for reaching milestones. Regularly remind yourself of the reasons behind your goals to maintain focus and drive. These strategies ensure you stay committed to your journey and achieve long-term success.